Hi guys, today I will show you how the robot kit performs weight sorting. Okay, check out how to do that. Firstly, fully charge the LiPo battery. When the LiPo battery is fully charged, the indicator will turn green. After that, download the program of weight sorting to micro:bit. Connect the micro:bit and the computer through USB cable. In this way, you can download the program quickly. Then, follow this path to find the program file. Next, press Ctrl and C to copy this program, and press Ctrl and V to paste it to micro:bit. After the program is downloaded successfully, the micro:bit will exit automatically. Following, insert the micro:bit back to the expression board, then place the robot kit on the desk. And there are 2 points to note. The background of the recognition area should be in solid color and ensure there is no additional stuff in this area. Second, ensure the light is sufficient and you can enable the function of fill light when in need. Okay, all the stuff are ready. Let's start the robot kit. Then place one card within the recognition area. When the water can recognize the card, category will be bold class and the corresponding weight bin will open. Place other card, bone card, under the water can. At this time, the RGB light on micro:bit turns green. Green is for wet weights, and its category will be spoken by MP3 module and displayed on OLED module. Besides these 2 cards, you can try other cards. Okay guys, take out your cards and start the robot kit now.